'77 Impala. I think it's original miles. Car's been sitting stored. Somebody did some terrible body work and it fell out. 83,000, I believe that to be the original miles. I'm not gonna say you too much. I gotta get this thing out of here. Got a 350 70 vet motor in there. Engine. Bad body work was done. 1/4 inch Bondo. And the roof wasn't patched right in the back window. I thought you get a kick out of this for a minute. Sounds real nice though. We gotta get it out of here before we're in trouble. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. Flowmaster, or knockoff Flowmaster and straight pipe, basically.